Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the YOYO Botia, also known as the YOYO Loach, which is a freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of Southeast Asia, particularly in India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Recognized for its unique interactive markings, the YOYO Loach is a popular choice among aquarists. This species thrives in various environments from slow-moving waters to more turbulent streams and is often found in groups in its natural habitat. An interesting fact about the YOYO Botia is its ability to produce sounds by rubbing its bones together, a behavior known as stridulation. This characteristic can be quite fascinating to observe, as these sounds serve as a means of communication, particularly during breeding or when establishing territory. Yo-yo loaches are easily identifiable by its striking coloration, featuring a body that can reach up to 5 to 6 inches. Their base color ranges from light brown to yellowish, adorned with bold black or dark brown horizontal stripes and spots resembling the letters Y or V, which is how they got their name. Their elongated body shape and small barbels give them a distinctive appearance, making them a captivating addition to any aquarium. In the wild, yo-yo loach prefers warm, soft, and slightly acidic water with plenty of hiding spots among rocks and vegetation. For optimum conditions in captivity, maintain a temperature between 75 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit with a pH level between 6 and 7.5. A well-filtered tank with ample hiding spaces such as caves, driftwood, and dense plants will mimic their natural environment and help reduce stress. YOLO loaches are generally peaceful and social fish, often found in groups, which makes keeping them in small schools of 3 or more recommended. They are nocturnal, becoming more active during the evening and nighttime, which can lead to entertaining observations for aquarists. As scavengers, they primarily feed on bottom-dwelling organisms, so a diet consistent of high-quality sinking pellets, flakes, and occasional treats like bloodworms and brine shrimp and vegetables will keep them healthy and thriving. A minimum tank size of 30 gallons is ideal for a group of YOYO Botia, as they enjoy swimming and exploring their surroundings. Suitable tank mates include peaceful community fish such as tetras and other loach species. However, avoid keeping them with overly aggressive or territorial fish, as this can lead to stress and conflict. Providing hiding spots will help them feel secure and minimize any potential territorial disputes. YOYO Botia is often kept for its unique appearance and active behavior, making it a favorite in community tanks. However, be cautious when introducing them to the tank, as their playful nature can lead to occasional nipping at slower moving fish. That concludes our care guide for the YOYO Botia. These lively and captivating fish can bring a dynamic touch to your aquarium. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share your experiences with the YOYO loaches in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fish keeping.